So today in this video we are going to learn how to make a Chrome logo in AutoCAD 2022. First of all, we'll choose the line, press L from the keyboard and press enter. Our line will be enabled. After that we'll go to the axis and here make a line of 50. Okay, make here first 0, tab 0, enter. We'll make a line of 50. Okay, zoom out, make a here again line of 50. Okay, make 50 and here also make 50. Now we will go make a offset of this line and this down line. Okay, now we'll press O from the keyboard and press enter. Okay, we will select this both and make a offset of 25. Okay, same thing done on this line also, make offset of 25. We'll get a middle point, press C from the keyboard, our circle will be enabled. Make a circle of 25 here. After that make a circle of 12 and make a circle of 10. Okay, now we'll trim this all the extra line. Press TR from the keyboard and trim this all the extra lines. Okay, these lines also, this underline also. Okay, now we'll press L from the keyboard. From here make a line from here to down up to 4 and match this line. Now we'll trim extra line, press TR from the keyboard and trim these extra lines. Okay, now again same thing do here also, press L from the keyboard and make a line of 4. Okay, and match this both. Okay, now press TR this extra and trim this extra. Okay, here also. Okay, now we'll press L from the keyboard and go to the here middle point and down. Okay, make a line of 1, match this and match this both. Okay, now press TR from the keyboard and trim this extra lines. Again we'll enable trim option and trim this all the extra lines from the outside. Okay, now we will give the color in this. Go to the hatch line, hatching option. We'll give color here. Go to the use current. After that we'll choose make red here. Close hatch creation. After that again hatch option and go here, go to the white and give white color here. Okay, close hatch creation. Again go to the hatch, go to the green option and make green color here. Okay, again go to the hatch and go to the here and make yellow here, yellow. Close hatch. Again we'll go to the hatch and select blue color. Okay, now see our logo will be ready. For getting more videos like this you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.